Mary, look at my shirt.
Oh no, what happened?
I put it in the washing machine with my red socks.
And now it is pink?
Yes, all my white shirts are pink now.
Did you check the colors before washing?
No, I was in a hurry.
John, you always do this.
I know. Can you help me?
The shirts are already pink. I cannot fix that.
What do I do now?
Next time, separate the white clothes from the colors.
Yes, I will do that. But what about today?
Today, you wear pink.
Very funny, Mary.
I am not joking. Put on the pink shirt and go to work.
My boss will see this.
Then learn to do laundry correctly.
Okay. Can you show me how to separate the clothes?
Yes, come, I will show you right now.